Area of parallelogram. ABCD is the parallelogram. AB is the base, AD the height of the parallelogram. BD divides the parallelogram into two equal triangles. BD is the diagonal. Area of parallelogram ABCD equals to 2 into area of triangle ABCD equals to AB into DA. AB base of the parallelogram and DA is the height of the parallelogram equals to 2 into half of AB into DA. 2 cut होगा equals to base into height. Area of parallelogram equals to base into height. Area of rhombus. Area of rhombus equals to 1 by 2 into product of diagonal. ABCD be a rhombus and AC and BD intersect at point O. AC and BD are the diagonal. D1 and BD is the D2. Triangle AOB equals to half of OA into OB. OA half of the diagonal and OB half of the diagonal. D2 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 into D1 by 2 into D2 by 2 equals to 1 by 8 into D1 into D2. Area of rhombus ABCD equals to 4 into area of triangle AOB equals to 4 into 1 by 8 D1 into D2. 4 से 8 2 times में कट होगा equals to 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. Area of rhombus equals to 1 by 2 into product of diagonal. One side of parallelogram is 14 cm and its distance from the opposite is 16.5 cm. Find the area of a parallelogram. Base equals to 14 cm. Height equals to 16.5 cm. Area of parallelogram equals to base into height. 14 cm into 16.5 cm equals to 231 cm square. The base of a parallelogram is twice its height. If its area is 512 cm square, find the base and height. Let the height be x centimeter and base is twice of the height 2x centimeter. Area given है, area equals to 512 centimeter square. Area of rhombus equals to base into height. 512 centimeter square equals to x into 2x. 512 centimeter square equals to 2x square. 2 से 12 256 times में कट होगा. x square equals to 256. X equals to under root of 256 equals to 16 centimeter. Height equals to x centimeter equals to 16 centimeter. And base equals to 2x equals to 2 into 16 equals to 32 centimeter. Find the area of a rhombus. The lengths of whose diagonals are 36 centimeter and 22.5 centimeters. Diagonals given at D1 is 36 centimeter and D2 equals to 22.5 centimeter. Area of rhombus equals to 1 by 2 into D1 into D2 equals to 1 by 2 into 36 centimeter into 22.5 centimeter. 2 से 36 18 times में कट होगा. 18 centimeter into 22.5 centimeter equals to 405 centimeter square. Area of rhombus is 405 centimeter square. Area of triangle equals to 1 by 2 into base into height. Area of right angle triangle equals to 1 by 2 into product of legs. The side other than the hypotenuse are called its legs. Base, height. The area of the equilateral triangle equals to √3/4 into a square. Heron's formula, we can use Heron's formula to determine the area of a triangle when given the length of the side. Any triangle has three sides. We represent the length of the three sides are A, B, C. S is the half of the perimeter. Perimeter equals to sum of all lengths A plus B plus C. S equals to half of the perimeter A plus B plus C by 2. By Heron's formula, the area of the triangle is under root of S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. S is the half of the perimeter and A, B, C is the side of the triangle. Find the area of a triangle in which base is 25 cm and height is 14 cm. Base is 25 cm and height equals to 14 cm. Area of triangle equals to 1/2 into base into height. 1/2 base is 25 cm into height 14 cm. 2 से 14 7 टाइम्स में कट होगा equals to 25 cm into 7 cm equals to 175 cm square. Find the height of a triangle whose base is 15 cm and area is 120 cm. Base equals to 15 cm and area equals to 120 cm square. Area of triangle equals to 1/2 into base into height. Area of triangle 120 cm square given है. 1/2 बेस है 15 सेंटीमीटर इंटू हाइट हम लोग को फाइंड करना है तो हाइट इक्वल्स टू 120 इंटू 2/15. 3 5 are 15, 3 4 are 12, 5 से 48 टाइम्स में इक्वल्स टू 16 सेंटीमीटर. Find the area of a triangular field whose sides are 78 meter, 50 meter and 112 meter. A equals to 78 meter, B equals to 50 meter and C equals to 112 meter. S is the half of the perimeter A plus B plus C by 2. 78 plus 50 plus 112 by 2 equals to 240 by 2. 2 से 240 120 टाइम्स में कट होगा इक्वल्स टू 120 सेंटीमीटर मीटर एंड एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल equals to by Heron's formula area of triangle equals to S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. 120 minus 78, 120 minus 50 and 120 minus 112 meter square equals to 120 into 42 into 70 into 8 मीटर स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू हम लोग नंबर को ब्रेक करेंगे 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 10 इक्वल्स टू 7 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 टू 7 इंटू 10 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 8 को ब्रेक किए 3 टाइम्स में मीटर स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 into 7 into 3 into 10 equals to 80 into 7 is 21 equals to answer 1680 मीटर स्क्वायर. अगर आप लोगों को कुछ पूछना है, कुछ समझ में ना आया तो आप लोग नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.